It is generally believed that education is of vital importance to the development of individuals and the well-being of societies. What should education consist of to fulfill both these functions? So I have underlined these important words. For vital importance, you can write great significance. Vital importance and great significance, these are synonyms. अगर आपने स्पीकिंग सेक्शन में भी वाइटल इम्पोर्टेंस जैसे कोई क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनर आपसे पूछ सकता है, तो आप अगर कोई इम्पोर्टेंस की बात कर रहे हैं तो आप ये वर्ड्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. रेपिटिशन ना हो तो आप वाइटल इम्पोर्टेंस एंड ग्रेट सिग्निफिकेंस दोनों यूज़ कर सकते हैं वर्ड्स इन योर स्पीकिंग एंड इन योर राइटिंग. And for development of individuals and the well-being of societies, you can write this. Development and progress, these are synonyms. So instead of writing this statement, you can write this. Progress of people and societies. Okay, so instead of writing development, we are writing progress of people. Instead of writing individuals and people, you can say these are synonyms. So progress of people and societies. You can also write uplift the societies and its people. Okay, uplift means benefit karte societies and its people. So development, progress and uplift, these are synonyms. And you can also write this collocation for development. You can write holistic development of individuals. Okay, so you can add the word holistic here and you can write holistic development of individuals. And you can also write benefit. Instead of writing development, you can also write benefit both the individuals and the society. So these are all synonyms which are in the purple color. These are all synonyms for this word development. Or you can say we have paraphrased this statement in different ways in introduction and our body paragraphs and conclusion. So आपको जो है IELTS में for speaking and writing repetition जो है उसका बहुत ज़्यादा bad impression पड़ता है examiner पे. So you have to use synonyms or topic related vocabulary words in order to explain your ideas and opinions. So इस चीज़ पे focus करें. और इसके अलावा सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स पे भी कि आपका जो ऐसे है योर ऐसे शुड बी अ मिक्सचर ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस, कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस, सिंपल सेंटेंसेस एंड कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस. लाइक यहाँ पे मैंने मेंशन किए हैं कि ये कंडीशनल कौन सा conditional sentences like this if यूज हुआ है, if people are educated, there is less violence and less crime in society if people are educated. So आपका जो essay है वो mixture होना चाहिए all sentence structures का. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comment.